Welcome to Road Breakdown. Real crashes, real footage, real consequences. Watch what happens when things go wrong on the road. Stay safe out there and subscribe. Remember, guys, a green light gives you the right of way, but it doesn't guarantee your safety. Always check your sides and stay alert, even when you have the light. Stay safe out there.
Where we have the music on Main Street, downtown, where it's all built, it's named that it's built by his memorial thing on here.
So Kirov doesn't look too big.
He's not.
Buddy, patience. Fuck, no wonder you got that shit on your car. And what are you doing?
Open up the door, but you ain't gotta close it back. Everything electric, baby, everything a blessing. Keep a ring and a roll it for your next bitch.
Fuck! Fuck! You fucking joking!
A common cause of rail crossing incidents is getting stranded on the tracks due to traffic. Ensure there is sufficient space ahead before attempting to cross. Such are the severe consequences of negligence in rushing at a railroad crossing. The railway does not forgive carelessness. We are witnessing an uncontrolled power slide. The primary causes of such incidents are vehicle malfunction or driver negligence. Exercise maximum caution when passing other vehicles. Avoid risky maneuvers when visibility is limited. The pedestrian prevented the tragedy by being vigilant. Before walking, he made sure that the car did not give way to him at the pedestrian crossing, and the pedestrian stopped in time.
Оформляем. Оформляем.
A stupid accident, which fortunately had no serious consequences. Do you think the truck driver's blind spot and inattention are to blame? That's it for this one. Thanks for riding with Road Breakdown. Stay safe, drive smart, and don't become the next video on this channel. See you next time.